அடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sugars. We experienced sweetness while eating the stems of sugarcane, கரும்பு, roots of sugar beet, roots of apple, and while drinking palmyra sap. This is due to the different proportion of sugar found in it. Sugar is the generic name for sweet tasting soluble carbohydrate which are used in food and beverages. Sugars found in sugarcane and palmyra make them ideal for efficient extraction to make commercial sugar. Sugarcane, Saccharum officinarum, botanical name, family Poaceae. Origin and area of cultivation. Cultivated Saccharum officinarum has evolved by repeated back crossing of Saccharum officinarum of New Guinea with wild sugarcane பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Saccharum spontaneous of India to improve the quality. All districts except Kanyakumari and Nilgiri of Tamil Nadu cultivated sugarcane. Uses பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sugarcane is a raw material for extracting, while sugarcane supports large number of industries like sugar mills producing refined sugars, distilleries producing liquor grade ethanol, and millions of jaggery manufacturing units. Fresh sugarcane juice is a refreshing drink. Molasses is the raw material for the production of ethyl alcohol. அடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பால்மைரா, பனைமரம், ஸ்டேட் ட்ரீ ஆஃப் தமிழ்நாடு. பொட்டானிக்கல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பொராசஸ் பெல்ஃபெலிஃபர். ஃபேமிலி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அரிகேசி. Origin and area of cultivation. Palmyra is native to tropical region of Africa, Asia, New Guinea. Palmyra grows all over Tamil Nadu, especially in coastal districts. Uses exudate from inflorescence axis is collected for preparing palm sugar. Inflorescence is tapped for its sap, which is used as health drink. Sap is processed to get palm jaggery or fermented to give toddy. கல். Endosperm is used as a refreshing summer food. நொங்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. Germinated is have an elongated embryo surrounded by fleshy scale leaf which is edible. அடுத்து ஆயில். Why fried foods are tastier than boiled food? There are two kinds of oil, namely essential oil and vegetable oil or fatty oil. The essential oil are volatile oil which possesses aroma, evaporate or volatilize in contact with air. Any organ of a plant may be the source of essential oil. For example, flowers of jasmine, fruits of orange, and roots of ginger. The vegetable oil are non-volatile oil or fixed oil that do not evaporate, while seeds of endosperm form the source of vegetable oils. Let us know about few oil seeds. Groundnut or peanut, botanical name கடலை, Arachis hypogaea. ஃபேமிலி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Fabaceae. Origin and area of cultivation. Groundnut is a native of Brazil. Portuguese introduced groundnut into Africa. The Spanish took it to the Southeast Asia and India via Philippines. In India, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan are top producers. Uses nuts contain about 40% oil. The kernel are also rich sources of phosphorus and vitamins, particularly thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. It is a premium cooking oil because it does not smoke. Lower grade oil is used in manufacture of soap and lubricant. அடுத்து ஜிஞ்சலி சீசம் எள்ளெண்ணெய் Sesamum indicum Pedaliaceae. Origin and area of cultivation. Sesamum indicum has originated from Africa. Sesame is cultivated as in dry land crop. West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh are all top producers of in India during 2017-18. It is considered as a healthy oil in southern Indian culture. Uses. Sesame oil is used for mostly culinary purpose in India. Lower grades are used in manufacture of soap, in paint industry, as a lubricant and as illuminant. In India, the oil is the basis of most of a scented oil used in perfume. Sesame seed snacks are popular throughout India. Beverages. How about a cup of coffee or tea? We always entertain our guests with this offer. All non-alcoholic beverages contain alkaloids that stimulate central nervous system and also possess mild diuretic properties. Coffee botanical name Coffea arabica, family Rubiaceae. Why does a student or a driver prefer tea or coffee during night work? Energetic. Origin and area of cultivation. Coffea arabica is the prime source of commercial coffee, which is native to tropical Ethiopia. An Indian Muslim saint, Baba Budan, introduced coffee from Yemen to Mysore. Karnataka is the largest coffee producing state in India, followed by Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Tamil Nadu is the largest consumer of coffee in India. Uses drinking coffee in moderation provide the following health benefit. Caffeine enhances release the acetylcholine in brain, which in turn enhances efficiency. It can lower the incidence of fatty liver diseases, cirrhosis, and cancer. It may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes.